can go to website, download the form and use it, no charges.
But what about the office? No.
Nah, see, there are two things. If you want to do a physical transaction, then you have to download the forms and submit it. If you want to do an online transaction, then you have to follow the steps, make the payment, ताजे hard copies काढून submit करपाचे, and then the transaction. But at least you will get up to payment stage पर्यंत वतली. My process करून your thing will happen later on.
So hard copy payment you can.
Payment you can do online, na?
No, not about in the offices, in the RTO office.
If you come to office and if you want to pay by credit card, you can do that.
Okay.
Once it is approved.
So issuing of challans bhi म्हणलं how you all are going to do it?
Issuance of challan, आता MPOS machine असतले. ताजेर all the offences will be related. So if somebody is challan, the challan will be generated by that machine, and if he wants to pay the fine and compound the offence, he can do it by using his credit or debit card. If he doesn't want to pay by credit, debit card for whatever reason, he has to go to any of the bank branch and mention his challan number and pay the challan. So that way it is easier for citizens not to come to office to pay the challan. App taxi आमचो एफर्ट आसा की एंड ऑफ मे आमी ते लॉन्च करतले, सो दॅट येता तो सीजन टुरिझम सिजना वेळार तो स्टेबिलायज
कनेक्ट जावपाची तुमकां हें आसा.
आतां आमी आमकां टॅक्सी ड्रायव्हरांक सांगला कोणाक इंट्रस्ट आसा तांच्यांनी आमचे कडेन येवन रजिस्टर करपाचें. नो चार्जीस, फ्री. Plus we will not be imposing any charges for them to join the system. So we'll be only managing the system.
कितले जॉइन जाले आतां?
रिक्वेस्ट खूप आयल्या, बट फॉर्मली वी हॅव स्टार्टेड दिस प्रोसेस. सो आनी एक तांकां 10 दीस दिल्या, तोपर्यंत वी लेट अस सी द रिस्पॉन्स.
Mexicab open to all public आसतले, all the state. Mexicab म्हणटात.
हय.
ते all public आमी सगळ्या स्टेटीन ओपन जातले काय म्हणटात. It is point
app based taxi. Yeah, anybody can hail it. You have to download this app system. आणि तुम्ही कोणे ओला उबर यूज केला आसतले भायर.
पॉयंट टू पॉयंट.
पॉयंट टू पॉयंट. ताजेर ताका रेट मेळटली, खंयच्यान केन्ना ट्रीप सुरू जाता, खंय वता, कितलो अंदाज, कितलो फेर. सो इट विल ऑल बी एज पर द गव्हर्मेंट अप्रूव्ड रेट. Right now it is for tourist taxis. Yes. AGT and tourist taxis. So that is what we are contemplating currently.
And the mechanics of the app will be the same as Ola Uber, as they'll be able to choose micro, mini, and auto.
Absolutely.
And the taxes and the rates will be as per notified.
As per the government notification.
So it won't be difficult for taxi to convince company to join them?
No. Nowadays I think a lot of people are well aware about technology. In fact, many of them have approached us कि आमका घे म्हणून ॲपाचेर. So we were getting so many requests, and we said let us go through the advertisement channel so that people are aware that today was the opening and they can apply online. Otherwise, every time people come.
They have been protesting, sir.
No, they are not protesting. They are protesting against entry of outside players. Since this is a system by the government without we charging them anything, I don't think they. In fact, they are supporting a lot of people.
टुरिस्ट टॅक्सी वाल्यांचा विरोध ना. They are okay with it.
They were opposing Ola, Uber and outside agencies. Kirak, what happens is
तुम्ही त्यांच्याकडे उलयल्या. उलयले.
So outside agencies कितें करता, they charge a heavy rate of fees, sometimes up to 20% from the taxis. In this case, taxi drivers are not going to be charged anything. There will be a small convenience fee that customer pay करतलो, and then he can hail a app, and it's a voluntary exercise. We have almost 30,000 taxis in Goa. It's voluntary. Anybody can use it.